How to change audio language in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change the audio language setting in Undawn game. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Undawn game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner and at the bottom right, click on the settings button. Once you're inside this settings menu, go ahead and look for the language settings on the right. Inside language setting, you'll see audio pack option. You'll see a different language available, so go ahead and select that. Once you select that, the download process will begin. It has Korean language right now. Now after you tap on that after download, click on confirm to change the audio setting. Now your character will speak in the selected language from now onwards. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change the audio language in Undawn. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.